Egyptian mathematics, Egyptian division, example 5.1. 322 divided by 23. So we're going to turn this around and ask ourselves what times 23 gives us 322. And we're going to do the same process that we did when we used multiplication, Egyptian multiplication. That is, we start with 123 and we double both columns. But this time we're going to be keeping our eye on 322. And we're going to stop the doubling process when the number in the second column, should we double it, be higher than 322. So we'll go next would be 246, 492, 8, 184. Now, I'm going to stop because if I multiply 184 times 2, it's going to be a number that's bigger than 322. So that's how I know how to stop. Now, what I'm going to do is sort of different than what I was doing with the multiplication. Instead of finding the numbers in the first column that added up to this question mark, I'm going to be taking the numbers in the second column and I'm going to find those numbers that add up to 322, or the product. So you're going to start with the largest number, and it's best to kind of subtract to keep track of what number you use. So we'll start with that biggest number. Oops. We'll start with 300. Try that again. 322 minus 184. And that gives us 138. And feel free to use your calculator to do the subtraction. So I know I've used the 184. Okay, now I'm going to subtract 92. If I subtract 92, I get 46. So I know I used the 92. And then I go to the 46. And when I subtract 46, I get 0. So I know I've used the 46. So the checked off numbers are going to be the ones opposite the circled numbers. So it's going to be 8, 4, and 2. And if I add these checked off numbers, I'm going to get what that question mark is equal to. So that question mark is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 14. So that's my quotient. 322 divided by 23 is equal to 14.